Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I haven't actually uploaded in about 2 years, but I'm getting back into YouTube. I normally make travel vlogs, travel advice, foodie videos. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and look at all my other videos as well, because I'm definitely going to be uploading a lot more often from now on. So this afternoon I'm flying to Bucharest, Romania, and I'm going for about 5 days. It's currently the beginning of February, so it's going to be very cold and wintry. A lot of the budget airlines nowadays are charging extra to have a small carry-on suitcase, so I always opt for the small bag option to save money. And it's a little bit annoying because you never used to have to pay to just have a small carry-on suitcase. It's like kind of like standard that you would actually be taking luggage with you, but now you can not pay extra and just bring a small bag like this, backpack, but it has to fit under your suitcase as well, so which means you have to pack very light and minimalistic. I'm also taking this small little bum bag, which obviously breaks the rules a little bit, but I'm just literally going to be having this like under my coat, under, you know, under everything, so no one's going to really see it and literally takes up no room. So today I'm going to be flying with Wizz Air, but I have actually made another video about Ryanair's small bag policy where I used a different bag to pack for a winter trip as well, so I'll link that below. But yeah, moving on to the bag that I've picked, I recently got this one from ASOS. It's consigned, which I think is an ASOS brand, correct me if I'm wrong. It's this like horrible material, but I think it would be quite waterproof, repellent sort of thing. This bag here is from ASOS from like ages ago. It's literally on its last leg. Oh, and also I'm gonna be wearing like a purple jumper on the plane, a plain t-shirt, Gymshark trackies, and some white trainers, which are gonna be the only shoes that I'm taking on the plane with me. So that doubles as like kind of my airplane traveling clothes slash like clothes that I'll wear around the Airbnb when we're just chilling out. Okay, so let's get into what's in the actual bag, what you're all here for. Okay, so starting from the side, I've got my hair curler strapped into the side there. I'm not going to take it out because I can't be bothered to put it back in. And then I've also got my hairbrush just shoved in the side there. To be honest, this is a good spot to put your water bottle. So in the front pocket here, I've got a portable charger, my toothbrush case, electric toothbrush, and then I've got my toiletries, and I've got them in the front here because it's easy access for when you're at security. And are they gonna come out? Who knows? And as you can see, I have actually filled this bag to an absolute brim, so hopefully it doesn't break. So just quickly, I've got a face moisturizer, a face makeup remover, face cleanser, my foundation, a refillable squidgy bottle of conditioner. On the Airbnb, they said that they provide shampoo and body wash, so I've only got my conditioner. And then at the top here I've got a lipstick, face primer, and then on this other side I've got a eye cream in there, another lipstick, some hand cream, mascara, deodorant, a concealer, and that's it. And then in the main pocket we have makeup bag. This is not obviously all my makeup because half of it is in that liquids bag. Just got, you know, an eyeshadow palette, bronzer, makeup brushes, all the usual stuff in there. This is my camera case, so just imagine my camera's in there. And then we've got this electronics bag, little bag, just has cords, SD card converter for European plugs, muffler thingy for my camera, GoPro, charger, cords for cameras, and then my hard drive, and then also a light for my camera that I'm filming on right now. In this bit here, I've got a packing cube full of underwear and socks, and I'm taking 5 pairs of socks and just as many underwear as possible just in case I shit myself, and also a bikini. And then just inside there's actually another pocket, I don't know if you can see that, which is also really handy because then you can put all kinds of shit in here. So I've got just like miscellaneous items in here that don't really fit anywhere else. So I've got my iPhone charger, I've got a face mask just in case, eyelash curler because it won't fit in my makeup bag, a razor, cotton pads for taking off makeup, my house keys, got some cold and flu, ibuprofen tablets in there, hay fever tablets, you never know, contact lenses, some like sanitary pads just in case, even though I use a menstrual cup, but you know, you never know, and also some tampons just in case. It's always good just to have a spare few. Floss, hair tie, chewing gum, and I've just got some random forks and a pen. I've just got my laptop at the back here, and it's just in a padded little sleeve here. There's actually 2 little padded sleeves, So that actually is quite nice because then you know it's obviously protected to a certain degree. I don't really need to bring this laptop because obviously I'm not going to be sitting on a laptop like for only a 5-day trip, but I actually need it because when I'm going to be filming and taking photos, I need just something to transfer the footage onto a hard drive. So that's literally the only reason I'm taking it. I'd rather just not take it, but yeah, I have to because I don't want to leave them all on my camera because you never know. And also I guess it'd come in handy if you want to look at stuff on a bigger screen or watch Netflix while you're on holiday and you want to chill out. 5 days and 4 nights. I'm probably going to re-wear some of the stuff. Or when you're on holiday, you don't always tend to come home during the middle of the day and get changed into a different outfit. So some of these things I'll probably wear like all day to the night, or you know, wear again the next day. The good thing about winter is that even though the clothes are bulkier, take up more room maybe, you're not sweating as much, so you can re-wear stuff a couple times. Okay, so I've just got a black plain roll neck. I've got a burgundy roll neck, both from M&S. And then I've also got this nice like ASOS green, similar sort of style, but it's like a different color at the front. And then I've also got this top as well. This is just more of like a nighttime sort of situation. It's got like flared sleeves and like a drawstring at the front. So it's a bit more of like a nighttime thing. So I'll probably wear that on like a night out only. And then for casual t-shirts, oh, everything's really creased now because it's been in my bag. I've just got this Alessi plain crop top, and then I've also got this black crop top as well. So everything's a bit creased because it's been sitting in this bag for a while. I think sometimes if it is cold, but then the sun comes out, it can be really warm during the day. Not really warm, but it can be a little bit warmer, or if it's a little bit humid, sometimes you don't really want all those different layers. You kind of just want like a t-shirt and a jacket. So I like to have the option. And then on to the only pair of trousers that I'm taking besides the trackies I'm wearing on the plane. These pleather flares from Bershka. So you might think, why would I take these as my only trousers? Because they seem quite kind of nightimey and dressy. But they actually just look really cool like during the day with like a really casual shirt or jumper or t-shirt. So like I actually think they can be both. They can be nighttime and daytime. So I'm actually just going to bring them as my only pair of trousers. And they're actually more comfortable than jeans because they're stretchy. So I actually prefer to wear these during the day anyway over my black jeans. My black jeans just dig into my stomach when I'm sitting down. So I'd actually rather wear these. I have got also just a little bralette, which is good for like under crop tops. Okay, so quickly, this bag, it's just my go-to bag for things that I need on my persons, like my phone and stuff like that. So I've got my sunglasses because it is going to be a little bit sunny there. I've got my AirPods, I've got a snack, I've got my passport, and then my Kindle as well. And then in the back pocket, I've just got my cards and ID and all that sort of thing. Okay, I need to wrap this video up now because my battery's going flat and I need to get a move on and repack this bag. So I hope this video has helped you as well, like giving you some ideas of how you can pack minimalistically and in a small bag, because nowadays a lot of these budget airlines are doing this small bag policy, so it saves money if you can manage this as well. And also it's a lot less things to carry around on holiday, which I find really nice. I have heard apparently they're relaxing this policy from someone, but I don't really know and I don't really want to risk it. Same thing about the plastic bags. I've heard they're taking away these plastic bags next year and you don't have to use them, so that will also help. Not that you really want to be taking bigger things if you're trying to pack minimalistically, but it's just annoying trying to make everything fit in a plastic bag. Like for example, there's no toothpaste in there because the friend I'm going with, they're gonna take the toothpaste. So it is handy when you do travel with someone else, they can take a few bits for you. But for the most part, everything is going in my own baggage and I have to take it with me. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Please comment below if you have any tips, or if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, check out my other videos, because I promise I'm going to be uploading a lot more. I'm going to be uploading a lot of videos on Bucharest, Romania, so those will be coming soon. Okay, I'm going to have to repack my bag now, so I'm going to go. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!